Hi, fourth grade team. Thank you so much for letting me come and join your PLC today. I really enjoy the opportunity to see you guys collaborate, work together as a team, and it just really makes me proud to be your principal, and I appreciate you every day. I wanted to come and talk to you today about things that we can do in our classrooms, and what I'd like you guys to work on today during your PLC is some strategies for our students who might be struggling or fearful of the upcoming tests. We have state testing coming up, and a lot of the students have expressed to me they're struggling with how to use the system. I just want you to take a moment and think about one of your students in your classroom who has an IEP, who has a 504, or who doesn't but might have some social emotional concerns or fear, anxiety about the upcoming tests. I want you to picture that child in your classroom right now. And today, what I want you to do is work as a team to talk about some of the standards that the students might have struggled with this past year or in years past, and what we can do to help support them, whether that's practicing the standard in a game-based strategy, or using the opportunity with the test-taking tools on the system to help alleviate some of their stress. Let's give them the opportunity to practice in a non-stressful environment, and hopefully we can help them through the testing process and get a good idea of what the students know and what they don't know, and how we can help them be more successful in the future. So today I'd like you guys to think about each one of those students. Get together in your pairs and think about what activities can I do today in my classroom to help my students, whether that's breathing techniques, helping them through stressful situations, or that's practicing the standards in a game-based strategy. Again, thank you for letting me come by and see you, and I really look forward to seeing the awesome games and activities you guys have planned in your classrooms. Thank you.